start again. It's a redskin.
In an era where electric mobility and smart tech converge to serve both innovation and community needs, Renault introduces the Vision 4rescue, a fully operational demo vehicle built on the Renault 4 E-Tech Electric. Designed in collaboration with Fire Services and developed under the Software République initiative, comprising 7 French tech companies, Vision 4rescue is far more than a concept. It's a working prototype that showcases how mobility, connectivity, and emergency response can be seamlessly integrated. This striking vehicle takes everything Renault has learned from over 15 years of collaboration with fire services in 19 countries and packs it into a high-riding, all-wheel drive, off-road capable EV. It is equipped with nearly 20 interconnected technologies, aimed at standardizing the tools used by emergency teams and improving coordination in high-pressure situations. At its core, Vision 4rescue functions as a mobile command center, capable of real-time situation analysis and adaptive responses in crisis zones. The design is more than aesthetic, it's tactical. Drawing on the rugged DNA of the Renault 4 Savani 4x4 concept, the Vision 4rescue raises ground clearance by 15 mm and adds a second electric motor to the rear axle for permanent AWD capability, ensuring operational effectiveness across any terrain. The vehicle is wrapped in a bespoke red paint, inspired by the ripple of flames, contrasted with fluorescent yellow-green accents that scream urgency. Sapeurs Pompiers is boldly emblazoned across the sides, while emergency numbers like 112 and 18 adorn the body, reinforcing its life-saving mission. To truly support emergency response, Vision 4rescue is equipped with an aerodynamic rooftop capsule that houses a surveillance drone and mobile communication tools, helping to re-establish networks after disasters. There are also integrated roof bars, LED light strips, and modular bumpers with 3D printed shock-absorbing components featuring a pin-pon pattern, a clever nod to French emergency sirens. Inside, the concept focuses on firefighter functionality. The cabin includes reflective safety strips, custom seat upholstery made partly from recycled firefighting suit foam, and a metal dashboard bar engraved with JET Recoiffeur sur 4, reading you loud and clear. The rear section transforms into a digital command office, with 2 fold-out screens and a sliding desk powered by an onboard computer. Essential tools, helmets, tablets, and radios are kept in secure, always charged compartments. The rear hatch design even provides shelter for operatives during field use. Beyond the vehicle's form and function, Renault and Software République have emphasized sustainability and circularity. The body features flax-fiber biocomposites from Comp's power ribs and Amplitex materials, used in components such as bumpers, roof panels, and interior trim. These materials not only rival carbon fiber in strength and weight reduction but also offer up to 85% lower CO2 emissions in production. Ultimately, Renault Vision 4rescue is not just a showpiece, it's a real-world solution aimed at transforming the future of emergency mobility. With its advanced tech, rugged engineering, and human-centered design, this concept points the way toward an electrified, interconnected, and responsive future.